What's up, guys? I'm thinking about starting a unboxing channel. Maybe because I get a lot of packages. But this should be, is it for Karmaloop? I think so. Karmaloop. Well, no. Hold on, wait, let me see. No, that's not. This Karmaloop. Put that, my address is on there, so let's get to it. What I like to do, I like to get my winter, oh shit. I like to get my winter stuff in the summer so I can get discount. But boom, y'all see that Street Dreams is a bomber jacket. This jacket was $110. It's pretty decent for a bomber jacket, but for any other jacket, it's really dark. I'm a little sick, but yeah, for a bomber jacket, it's not that much, but you know, put that right there. What is it? Okay, this is my jersey that I ordered. It's from where is this from? Yeah, damn, you see that? This jacket was not jacket. This damn shit was like $58, I think. It's pretty, again, pretty decent for a jersey, but you know, any other shirt that's like a fucking ripoff. Some I wouldn't get, but what the fuck is this? Oh well, that's, you know, where I got the green shit from. Last one, let's go. Ladders and I didn't pick up the sticker. This is actually Ruckus Appeal. It's another bomber. Like I said, I like to order my, oh, that's pretty tight right there. I like that. But anyway, yeah, I like to order my bombers during the summer because they be having sales and all that, which is a good idea. You guys should start doing if you don't do it. So remove before flight. I guess I'm be a little fly in this. You get it? No? Okay. All right. Oh man. But yeah, you know, of course the orange inside, because you know, on most bombers it's orange on the inside. I don't know why. Then you know, you got Death Crew on the back, and that's really it. So you got Death Crew. You got this $58. Oh, this was actually $180. Then it was I think $3 shipping and then $20 tax. No, $3 tax and the other shipping. And this is Street Dreams. So this was $110, free shipping, $58 free shipping, and then this was $110, which was $20 shipping and $3 tax. So yeah.